Big news coming in on Vinesh Phogat. The suspense continues as it appears there are 4 lawyers who are fighting pro bono for Vinesh at the sports court in Paris. In fact, those lawyers include Joelle, Ivanova and Kim Charles. All of them fighting for Vinesh pro bono, asking her to be given a silver medal. In fact, Vinesh herself had filed a formal complaint with the committee there, the CAS. And we hear that the CAS is all set to hear the matter. They've taken the complaint into consideration and a decision will be given out soon enough. And you have 3 lawyers who've been fighting pro bono in favor of Vinesh Phogat. Joelle, Ivanova and Kim Charles. These are 3 lawyers who will be fighting for Vinesh Phogat, pushing for a silver medal for her. Remember, she literally stormed into the finals. It was the best game that we've seen of Vinesh Phogat as she managed to trump the Cuban participant and a beautiful finish. She managed to win that match and get to the finals. So the semi-final match, the fact that she won, she ideally should be given a silver medal. That's the ask. Of course, there are laid out rules that suggest once you're disqualified, you're completely out. You don't get a medal. But this is a last-minute push considering that Vinesh Phogat's performance, her form was so top-notch. And it was her weight that eventually set her back. 100 grams, could that at least mean a silver medal for Vinesh Phogat? Nikhil now is joining us live for more on that. Nikhil, we're really hoping for some good news, things to change around. At least some hope now coming up with the CAS taking up the matter, considering a silver medal. Nikhil, if you're with us. Oh, we're going to try and patch Nikhil Naz. He's right now in Paris, tracking the Olympics very closely. But remember, Vinesh Phogat just announced her retirement from wrestling. She says she respects the game so much. The game won, she lost. Those are the words she said as she put out a post saying she's retiring from wrestling now. We were really hoping to see her back in the next Olympics because she's in such great form. But nonetheless, we know at this point there is still some hope that Vinesh Phogat could be given a silver medal. And how soon will that announcement come? We're waiting. But 4 lawyers who have been appointed to represent her. In fact, they're fighting this pro bono, taking up Vinesh Phogat's case and asking for a silver, considering her brave and stupendous performance. Really, the fantastic performance that she displayed there. 4 matches that she knocked down her opponents, including world number 1. And you have 4 lawyers who are now fighting her case, claiming she deserves, by all means, a silver medal. We have Nikhil Naz joining us for more on that. Nikhil, over to you, please. Some hope that we have that Vinesh Phogat will at least be given a silver.
Well, yes, we now have a little more detail. This is a story that we actually broke last night, where we got to know that she had, appealed to the CAS, that is the Court of Arbitration for Sports. Usually, hearing tends to happen there in Europe and takes many days. But because of the Olympic Games and because of the urgency of the matter, CAS also has an ad hoc committee that sits here during the Olympic Games in matter that needs need to be solved urgently. In that case, she had written to them. She received a reply from them as well. The first request was, of course, she asked to be reinstated for the final and asked that, the final is still a few hours away. So, my weighing should happen again. And if I do, come within the 50 kilogram category, let me be allowed to participate for the final. That request was turned down by the CAS. However, she put forward another request saying that, listen, I did participate under the 50 kilogram category on day 1 and reached the final, so I deserve that silver medal, even if you disqualify me from the final. That is something that they've taken note on and have accepted that appeal, and it's going to be heard. Now, what we know now is that there are 4 lawyers that are also pro bono lawyers with the Paris Bar for the Olympic Games, especially for any athlete if they need help. So the 4 lawyers that would be arguing her case are Joelle Monolui, Estelle Ivanov, Habib Estelle Kim, and Charles Kingston is what we get to hear. What we are also getting to hear, and I cannot really confirm that at the moment, is that the hearing could be around 2 p.m. Paris time. It was supposed to be a little earlier. We learned yesterday, but now what I'm getting to know is that it is possible that the hearing now gets pushed to 2 p.m. 2 in the afternoon Paris time, which could be around 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. But I'm yet to really confirm on that. But what I can confirm, other than that, apart from the name of the four lawyers, is that it's going to be an online hearing. It will be done online with the ad hoc committee of CAS that has been set up here for the Olympic Games. They are going to set up another panel which will hear this out, and that will play out in the next few hours here in Paris.
Quick question, if you could elaborate on the fact that there's talk, if the CAS does consider her appeal, then she could be granted a joint silver.
That's right, because her first request was to be allowed to participate in the final. They said that cannot be done because now the final has been decided between the two wrestlers, because they had pushed the Cuban wrestler who Vinesh had beaten in the semi-final to the final, and they said no, that cannot be changed, that will go ahead as planned. To that, Vinesh had requested, then let there be a joint silver, because I also reached the final within my permissible weight category. And that is, medal that I should be given. That is something that they're considering. And of course, we'll know the result in the hearing. If that is to be the case, then she will be awarded, if CAS does rule in her favor, she will be awarded a silver medal. Of course, even if the United World Wrestling, the international governing body of wrestling, which had earlier turned down Venesh's request, if they are not happy with the decision of CAS, they can of course appeal as well. The hearing for that will continue, for the next few months, possibly. But at the moment, whatever ruling CAS passes, that is binding on the International Olympic Committee as well as the United World Wrestling. Right.
Thanks very much, Nikhil, for joining us. We're, of course, waiting with bated breath to see what the outcome of the CAS hearing would be. They are considering Vinesh Phogat's appeal for a silver medal. It will be huge, considering the setback and the great form that she was in. She truly deserves this silver at least. Let's just hope things turn around for Vinesh Phogat, as she's already announced her retirement. I'm going to take this to Anmol Bali as well. Heartbroken, Vinesh announcing her retirement. There's still some hope, though, as we see for our grappler. Despite her retirement announcement, Vinesh has requested she be awarded the silver medal, given the circumstances. The Court of Arbitration for Sport is now all set to deliver that verdict. Nikhil tells us roughly around 2 p.m. an online hearing will give out a verdict whether or not Vinesh Phogat will be given a joint silver medal. In the wake of her disqualification, the Wrestling Federation of India President Sanjay Singh had called for an investigation into the support staff to see where they really failed and the loopholes in not monitoring her weight adequately. Was this Vinesh's fault at any point? Did the support team guide her in the right direction? And what was the real miss? Why the miss had happened in the first place?